got it.
Mind your head there. This bit's heavy. Got it. Just watch out for that rusted frame. The smoke seems to be coming from the engine.
There's nothing left in here.
Just rust and decay.
This is older than I thought.
Looks like it's been tampered with.
Yeah, these wires are cut, not broken.
All right, these chains and straps need to be secured on the starboard side. Copy that. Let's start with the stern first.
That old hull has seen better days.
Oh, it's barely holding together.
We need to be careful with this lift. Hold there, hold it.
Close my hand up.
Slow down, bring it down slowly.
Yeah.
Easy, easy, just a little bit more. Right there, hold it. All right, easy now, just a little further.
Drop it slow, we're on the ground.
Verified, release the straps. All right, focusing on this specific chipped section right here. The goal is to isolate this area before we start the sanding and filling process.
Oh.
All right, this railing won't be loose anymore. Good. Let's check the others.
I think that's got the clamp. Now let's check this wiring. Looking good, Cap. Keep it going. Well, that's not going to buff out. This is a total loss. She's in worse shape than I thought.
Think it's salvageable?
Honestly, not without a miracle.
Where do we even start? All right, let's bring it down slowly. Watch the bow. Easy does it, that's good. Keep the pressure steady on the bow. Copy that. Let's finish the port side. Almost there, looking good. Oh,どうでしょう。 Look at the state of her. Years of neglect.
It's worse than we thought, Captain. The hull is compromised.
Almost got it, just gotta angle it. All right, up and out. Heavy piece of junk.
All right, let's get under this section. Careful, it's really stuck here. Push up on that end, heavy. Just about got it. Mind your head there, this bit's heavy. Got it. Just watch out for that rusted frame. Slow and steady, hold it there. Little to the right, watch the wall. All right, easy does it, lower it down now.
The oxidation is severe. I'm cutting through to clean metal now. Watch for the holes.
I think we're getting somewhere now. Need a new disc over here soon. Let's get this edge smooth. Start over here. Right, stabilizing. Ready when you are.
Keep it steady there. That's the spot. All right, let's finish this section.
Careful, make sure it holds steady. Yeah, just a bit more, almost through here. Keep it steady. Watch the angle, mate. Almost through. Clear the spot.
Keep it steady there. Sparks are flying, looks good. Almost done, adjust the cable.
Whoa.
Verified alignment, you're clear to finish. Looks good, ready to re-engage.
Checking the angle against the schematics.
Okay, resume, I'll get the wire.
Table secured, looks good. Check the sofa, perfect. Let's review the final checklist. Table is secure, checking the alignment. Perfect, the cushions are settling in nicely. Looks good, let's mark it as complete.